How you doing, folks? Thank you for tuning in to Vet 51. I received a bolt catch extension and I'm going to put that on. I received this from Combat Suppliers and it was a glitch in the last one, and these guys were awesome about it, and they sent me another one to replace that one, and I thank them for it because that's an upstanding couple of guys there. So what I'm going to do to make this simpler, so I'm going to pop my upper out, right? This one is a little tighter than I used to have it because I put a whole new system in. There we go. So I'm going to pop the upper. There we go. Put that down here for a moment. Okay. This piece goes behind. I wish I had a better way of doing this for you, but then I have this piece that's going to go on top, and with that, what I'm going to do, it's already a little screw in there. What I'm going to do with this little Allen wrench is that I'm going to start tightening this one up, right? Then there's another little black screw for the front, right? That holds it there. Now, this little round cylindrical one, I don't want to drop it. Okay, that's going to go right in the center. It's supposed to hold the whole thing nice and steady. They even send you 2 little wrenches. So screw this in. It's pretty simple. Yeah, there you go. Don't need that. Let's see. Bolt catch. Yeah. Yep. Seems pretty good there. Yeah. You know what I don't like is I have to get this checked out. Now that I'm on here with you guys, the bolt catch is doing the wiggling, so I might need a new pin for the actual bolt catch lever. So let's see if it tightens up once I get the upper on there. Pins are out. Well, you didn't see, but I already checked it. It's already empty. I had no mag in it. Just to show you. Okay. I will throw a mag in there. But once what I'm going to do is, the idea is to pull it back. Bolt is caught. Now, all I have to do is hit the lever. This is the part that I don't like doing, but there you go. So all good. It's good. But yep, it's good. Works out nice and easy. See that? So now you don't have to. Let me extend this back a little bit. Okay, I don't like it that far back. So if anything, boom, boom, boom. Okay, at the range, check, clear. What I can do is, I want to pull it back, hit the lever, and there you go. Simple as that. But I'm not going to let it slam forward this time. Just like that. That was good. Pretty easy. You know, what I do is, now I can charge it, but rather than doing that, boom, until I hit this lever, it's not going to get released, but take it out. That was much simpler than I've been dealing with. There you go, folks. Simple as that. Easy throw together. Thank you for watching. Fev51. You like, hit that like button even if you don't like. Okay? Comments, concerns, hit the comment section, type it up, and I'll read it and I'll respond to you. Okay? I appreciate your time. Have a good day, and until the next time, Fev51, be good, be safe, and always carry a weapon.